चांद्रा दरोडो पडल्या उपरांत मायना-कुर्तरी, मडगांव टावन आनी कुडचडे पुलिसांचे जॉयंट टिमीन 24 वरां भितर दोगांय दरोडेखोरांक धरले. अनवर शेख म्हणटा ताका परवरे हावसिंग बोर्ड कॉलनी आनी दवर्लेच्या सरफराज आदमाक वेर्णा सावन उखल्लो. दोगांय कडच्यान भांगर आनी बाकीचे चोरीचें सामान जप्त केलां. चोरयेक वापरिल्ली स्विफ्ट गाडी पुलिसांनी जप्त केल्या.
कितल्यांक सुमार आयले ते? चारां
सकाळी 4.
हय. कितें घेवन आयले ते?
सुर्यो.
हय. आनी
एक सुर्यो आनी एक दाखलो सुर्यो.
हय. आनी कितें व्हेलें?
आमी 10 मार्च निघलोली.
हय.
आनी मागीर हांव पडोंक न्हू येतात न्ही आनी आमगे तो मातशें बरो ना चड बरो तोंड बीन जाता रे बाबा तेका. आनी मागीर तें म्हाका अटॅक केलो आनी साला घुसोले. माताय आनी ती म्हणटा सोरपोळी मुदी आनी अशें करून सांगता नाय म्हणे हांवें कर तें पदर कांय ना म्हणे आसलो म्हणे बेकार दवर आनी कितें करतलो माताय न्ही.
सगळे दिवस विकान वयले बोटाचे हांगा तेगे चेन बीन वयला आनी तेगे सिलिंडर ना ओवन ना तेगेलें टीवी वयला न्यू तेगेली आनी इंडक्शन वयले तेगेलें वस्तू वयले सगळ्यो.
वोट चोडून तेणी वोट चोडून ते वचून तांकां बरें मान तांकां तेंगे सॉल घेवन गेले ते आनी बस लकीली ते साल्वा जालें ते व्हडले हॉस्पिटलां आसाय.
Both the accused, they have been remanded to police custody for 8 days. Further investigation is in progress. Cash of rupees 45,000, then coins, electronic items, that is TV, then 2 gas cylinders, 1 oven, then gold ornaments. In fact, the complainant had mentioned some bangles, but later on she found that the bangles were intact. So whatever gold ornaments were stolen, they have been recovered. Yes, we have recovered the vehicle.
The owner?
We have attached the vehicle.
With the owner?
Yes, we have this identified the owner also. They are ascertaining. Whether the under what circumstances this vehicle was given to them. Now they claim that it was taken on rent a bike for self.
Rent a car.
So we are ascertaining it.
So the vehicle belongs to the Assistant Director of Transport now. Nandakishore Arundar. And
We are ascertaining.
by Act and rule, a private vehicle cannot be sublet or given on hire.
We are ascertaining that fact. Recovered the weapon of assault, that is one knife, one forest knife, that is koita, and one hammer which was used by this accused to assault both the victims. It has been recovered at their instance.